Everyone requires a house or place. These wasps are not exceptional. They are also insisting of making their own nests or houses. These are the wasps. These are the wasps. They are now busy in making their own nests. They have chosen these leaves for making their own home, own abode. They think these leaves are safe for them. They are trying hard. They are trying hard in weaving their own nests. They would like to live in a safe place. And they think these leaves are their safe zones or safe areas. They are toiling, they are rejoicing, they are working all day and all night. They are going out and collecting materials for making their own nests. They think these leaves would be safe areas or safe zones for living, so they have chosen these leaves for making their own house. We salute them for doing this noble deed. And they have already made some places for living. They are also trying to make more and more places because they are great in number. They require more houses for living. They would like to fulfill their dream. Making houses is a dream. And these wasps have also a dream, and they have come here to fulfill their dream. They are weaving their houses. They think they will live here in peace. Really, it's a great job. We salute them. We salute them for doing this great job. Really, it's a great deed they are doing. They are working all day and all night for making their own home. It is their own flat. Yes. They are satisfied in making their own houses on these leaves.